welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging off my phone, so the quality might not be as good, but yeah, we're gonna be good today. So today I'm gonna be vlogging us going apartment hunting at this one complex. I'm not gonna let y'all know what it is, obviously, but yeah, we're gonna do that today. So I really just want to bring y'all along. So I'm trying to be more consistent this year with like my social media handles and stuff, and trying to build it and all that, because like I really want to get into it. So I just got finished eating breakfast, and now I'm gonna choose what I want to wear or whatnot. So I'll just come back on when I'm dressed. So basically this is my outfit. So I just have on like some accessories, like a necklace. This is a Yeezy hoodie. This is like a blazer that I just got from thrifting that I'll be wearing when I want to be, you know, business casual or whatever. But yeah, these leggings are from Ross. I got it from a workout set. These are some Calabasas, what are they called? Long socks. And these are just some Nike shoes. So basically this is the fit. I like being comfortable, so yeah, this is what we're working with. And I left my glasses on because I ain't feel like putting in my contacts, but yeah. Walking into the building. We're about to. This is the apartments right here, but finna walk into the front. I'm not gonna record until like we probably get in the elevator or the building. So yeah. Oh, what? Oh my God. Shit. Wait, what? Oh, this is the washer and dryer. Okay, so this is the washer and dryer when you walk into the door. We're actually on our own self-guided tour. So then this is just a storage closet. Then this is a bedroom, and this is the closet. I like this. I love this. This is the guest bathroom. Yeah. Oh my God. This is our kitchen. Babe, I'm in love. Oh my God. So this is the kitchen. All these cabinets and stuff. This is the refrigerator. Oh, our stove will be touchscreen? This is our refrigerator. Yeah, this is the one I was looking at. I'm mad they don't have the other one available, but this is the living room. This is the main bedroom. Turn the lights in here. This is the main bedroom. We'd be stupid not to get this. This is the closet. Damn. This is fire. So we only have 2 units today. I'm gonna have to insert the clip of the next unit that we're going next week. But this is this one. How you feel about it, babe? Oh my god! Like, wait, can I go on the balcony? It's open. I gotta open it. Wait. What? How to get out here? Are we stuck? Girl, I couldn't even go on the balcony. Whatever. This is like so. Then we got the view of the park and stuff. Like, this is it. Like, this is the one. What's in this closet? Oh, this is the half bath. So it's 2.5 baths and 2 bedrooms. So this is the first unit that we're checking out. Really love it. So this is the pool area. So we just walked in to another unit. This is the living room. Oh shit. This is the guest bedroom. Really and truly, this is the guest bedroom. That's the closet. This is the bathroom. Then that's the entryway, hallway. I'm not sure. Is this the washer and dryer? No, this is just extra storage. Oh, this is the washer and dryer. Oh, and it had a rack up in here. The other one didn't have one. So I think this is the master bathroom. Here you come in. So we got an isolated toilet. Oh, and we got shelving back here. And an isolated toilet. This is the shower, the tub, obviously the vanity and stuff. And this, golly. It's the closet. Girl, this is huge. Oh my God. Okay, so the only thing, babe, I think I brought this up to you. The only thing that I don't like about this is the fact that it got more window up in there. Oh, yeah. I think we talked about that though. Yeah, so now this is the kitchen area. This is with the warm finish. Both finishes are cute, but I think I like the warm one more better. Same appliances, everything's the same, about the same amount of cabinet space. Except we got a window over the sink. And this is our island. Then, I don't know, does the other one have more space than this one? Like, can I zoom out? I don't think I can, whatever. So, I feel like I don't know though. I'm not sure as to which one has more space. But we're gonna have to come back next week to check out the finale one that me and Ty both love. So yeah, again, this is the main bedroom. That's it. Then this is the bathroom, the shower, the vanity, the tub, the big closet, the isolated toilet, and shelving right here. And then once again, when you come right here, you got storage. I think that's the hot water heater. Then up in here is the washer and dryer room. Then here's the shower, the tub, sink for the guests. And this is the guest bedroom. And this is their closet. Show y'all that because I didn't go up in here. But this is the closet. So, man. And this is downtown Houston. So that's why all the buildings are around. And this is the balcony area. Here I go with this door. So this is the balcony. Of course, he up there trying out the water. Lock that, and yeah. Oh, and it has lights under the counter. I'm not sure if the other apartment did it. Yeah, I didn't check either, but yeah, like it's real nice. So which one you like better, the other one or this one? The other one? Yeah, I feel like the other one too. Like this one is spacious, but I really like how the other one's set up. Yeah, not even close. Like not at all. Yeah, I like how the other one's set up. So this is pretty much the only apartment complex we were recently been looking at. We was looking at another one. That's kind of close to downtown. It's like 7 minutes away from downtown. But like now we're like actually in downtown, like the center. So I think this is for the win. But I think we like the other apartment better. But like I said, we got to come back next week, which I'm gonna add into the video, obviously. But we got to come back next week and tour the final penthouse apartment that we've been looking at as well. Oh, so this is the entrance. Wait, someone open? Oh. No. This is the washer and dry. Shit. This is the washer and dryer. Oh, we got a room open here, actually. What is this? Oh, this is the half bath. Are you killing me? How you? Ay. AK. Okay. So let's walk this way. I think this is the. So this is the master bedroom. It's a whole new day. That's why I got on a different outfit. But yeah. It's the master's bathroom. Same apartment complex. Oh, this closet is spacious. Oh, my feet. Why is he doing that? This is the kitchen. It got the wood, dark finishes. Oh, this appliance different. So I know y'all seen the other stoves, but this stove got like, it's like the same stove, but it's like this. And then the microwave is in the wall. And these are cabinets or whatever. What is this? Oh, so this is just extra storage. But yes, bro, look at this, the island. Oh my God. Bro, like bro. This is the guest bed. God damn, it's big. Damn. Wait, like, what? This is, we gonna talk. This is the guest bedroom. There's the windows that like come into it. This is the guest closet. And this is the guest bathroom. This is like really, really huge. So I see why it's the price that it is, because it's like huge. This is beautiful. I like it, man. I'm torn between the first one that I showed y'all and this one. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe.